Toyota wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part. The high-quality Toyota wheel spacers can help with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, addition of aftermarket wheels, cosmetic changes, better handling, and much more. Toyota wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel option adjustment. They allow the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the Toyota. The line of the Toyota will be fuller. This gives the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. The use of Toyota wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or to upgrade to larger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. BONOSS Toyota wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers which using low-quality material are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driving safety under strong impact. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling Toyota wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling, distributed in a petal shape. These grooves allow the outside cold air to continuously flow inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air will move the heat, thus achieving the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the Toyota wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Toyota wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Toyota wheel spacers to fit the massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are fully more than 66 SGS and TV test approved. All BONOSS Toyota wheel spacers package come complete with all necessary hardware, including new ISO grade 10 wheel nut or ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud to fit your vehicle. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.